Hey first graders, welcome to Learning with M. My name's Manika and I'm a former mathematics educator. This is a part of my series Maths with Grade 1. Today we are going to meet a hero called Zero. Are you as excited as I am? Let's get started!
Let's meet Zero the hero. I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a very naughty boy. He liked to disrupt everything around him. He had a big garden near his house, in which there were 5 things. How many things? 5 things. There was a big tree, a monkey, a bird, a plant, and a very cute small cat. Like I said, the boy was very naughty. All the time, some or the other mischief used to go on in his mind. One day, he decided to disturb all the animals and birds in his garden. He took a big stone in his hand and he hit the monkey with it. You know what happened? The monkey ran away from the garden. How many things were left in his garden now? Just 4. The tree, plant, bird, and the cat. The boy didn't stop there. He took another stone in his hand and he threw the stone at the bird. As usual, the bird also flew away, and the boy celebrated that. How many things were left in his garden now? Only 3. You can count it yourself. A tree, plant, and the cat. This time, the boy didn't stop again. He took another big stone and hit the cute cat. The cat also ran away from the garden. How many things were left in the garden now? Only 2. The tree and the plant. The boy again didn't stop. He was so happy doing all this mischief that he wanted to continue it for long. He came near the plant and he plucked the flowers away. And now there was just 1 tree left in the garden, and the boy was super happy. The boy brought an axe from his house and he cut the tree away. He was so happy that there was nothing left in his garden. Soon the boy realized that nothing was left in the garden now. A big 0. His garden was empty. There were no trees, there were no plants, no animals, no birds. He soon realized his mistake when Zero, the hero, told him about his power. Zero is a big hero. Do you know why? Because 0 is a placeholder. The meaning of placeholder is that 0 holds 2 numbers at their proper place. I'll explain how. Suppose I have these 2 numbers, 7 and 8. Okay? If I put a 0 in between 7 and 8, the place of 8 becomes ones, the place of 0 becomes tens, and the place of 7 becomes hundreds. Now, this 0 holds 7 and 8 at their proper places. The number is 708. That's why we say that 0 is a placeholder, because it holds the other digits in their places. 0 also has many properties. The first property of 0 is that any number plus 0 is equal to the same number. For example, 8 plus 0 is same as 8 itself, or 15 plus 0 is also same as 15. Let's see another property of 0. That is, any number minus 0 is also the same number. For example, 12 minus 0 is equal to 12 itself. Or 9, when you subtract 0 from 9, the answer you get is 9 itself. Nothing changes. The third property of 0 is that when any number is multiplied by 0, it becomes a big 0. That means 13 multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Or doesn't matter how big a number is. Let's say 500. It is such a big 3-digit number. But if you multiply it with 0, you get 0 as the answer. Interesting, right? And the last property of 0 is that 0 divided by any number also makes it 0. For example, when you divide 0 by, let's say, 10, the answer you get is 0. Or when you divide 0 by 999 or any other number, again you get answer 0. Let's practice. Which tree has 0 apples? Do you want to try it yourself? Is it the left one or the right one? Absolutely correct. The left tree has 0 apples. Which jar has 0 candies? That means no candies at all. The right one or the left one? Absolutely correct. The right jar has 0 candies. Let's use the properties of 0 that we had just now studied. 7 plus 0 is equal to? Any guesses? 7. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9 itself. 2 plus 0 is equal to? Absolutely correct. 2. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. 8 minus 0 is equal to? Do you want to try it yourself? Correct. It is 8. 6 minus 0 is equal to? 6. Very good. Let's see the multiplication and division properties of 0. What is 3 multiplied by 0? I just now told you, when you multiply 0 with any number, the answer you get is a big 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 is again 0. 0 multiplied by 4 is also equal to 0. And 6 multiplied by 0 is? Any guesses? 0. Perfect. 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0 or 5? That's right, it's 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0 again. And 0 divided by 12 That's correct. It is 0. Awesome! Great work! I'm going to see you in the next video now. Bye-bye.